Come take a look at this new 2010 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. The Silverado 2500 HD boasts a 6.0-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the carrier with spare wheel no tire, mirrors, outside high-visibility vertical camper style, black, emissions, federal requirements, differential, heavy-duty automatic locking rear axle, 3.73 ratio, trailer brake controller, integrated, cruise control, electronic, engine, Vortex 6.0L variable valve timing speed, transmission, 6-speed automatic, heavy-duty, electronically controlled, license plate bracket, front and the pickup box, delete. Call 843-797-8000 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.